Have you seen those lip sync videos where they have one song, but they film it in multiple locations over time? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! You're gonna start by going into Instagram and starting a reel with that song. So I'm gonna go into the plus sign, go into reel, and I'm gonna use the camera one. And I'm gonna add the audio for the song I want. So let's add the audio. Say we wanna do this song. Now that I have my song, the first thing to do is just to record a bit of it so that you can start practicing with the song. This isn't gonna have to be perfect, but you'll see if you have the audio and you practice a little bit beforehand, it's just gonna make it easier. There, that's what I want the first section to be. So I'm gonna click next, and then I'm just gonna be able to listen to it. So I'm just gonna listen to it and then prepare myself for it. And once I'm ready, I'm just gonna go to edit video and then click on that, and I'm gonna replace it. For filming, if you wanna add a bit of a transition, it's popular to like move the camera in and then you record your thing and then you move the camera out. What that's gonna do is it's just gonna add a little transition in between each of the shots, which is just gonna make it more dynamic and fun. So now that I have this, I know what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna start recording. Perfect. I have that part done. Once I have that, I'm just gonna go next and I'm gonna save draft. Now it's saved on my phone, and then what I can do is I can go to the next location. So say for example, turn off my Instagram's gone. I'm gonna go back into my Instagram and I'm in location 2. So I'm gonna click on the Reels tab. You're gonna see drafts right there. It's that first one. What I like to do is, because I like to have extra backup, is I like to duplicate that. So I'm gonna click on those 3 yellow dots and click duplicate, just so I have an extra copy of it. In case anything goes wrong, it dies as I'm editing or filming, who knows, I wanna have that backed up. So I'm ready for the second section. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna go edit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the end of that clip and I'm gonna click add clip. Now I'm gonna record the next little bit and I'm gonna listen to it. Perfect. And so I'm gonna listen to it a few times again, and I'm gonna make sure I have it. I'm gonna put my trusty pop socket back on, and I'm gonna replace that second part and film it again. So remember, we're moving in with the camera, doing it, and then moving out with the camera. Perfect. Go next. I started moving a little bit too late, so I'm gonna try that again. I suggest just trying a few times until you get one that you really like. Sometimes you don't get it on your first try. So I'm gonna do and replace that one again. I'm gonna film that one more time. Don't forget the in and outs, and then let's see. There you go. And then so that's good. Save draft. I will make a copy of that, duplicate, and then as you keep going out and about and getting to different locations, you do the same thing. You repeat the process. You can have multiple of these going at the same time, and as long as you have them in here, they're duplicated, you can click on the side and you can rename the clip, what it is, where you are, which one it is, just so you can have it organized a little bit better, and then you can start putting these together into your drafts, and you'll have multiple lip sync videos ready to go.